heard learned counsels stop. These three appeals are being disposed of by this common order stop. The parties were summoned in pursuance of the earlier directions of this court today to put an end to the matrimonial dispute by grant of a decree of divorce by mutual consent under Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act by payment of permanent alimony by the respondent husband Ajay Pal Singh to respondent wife stop. The marriage in question took place on 16 February 1997 and out of the said wedlock a daughter was born to the couple, who was said to be aged 6 years when the divorce application was filed by the husband under Section 13 of the Act stop. The court below of District Judge Mohali has granted the said divorce decree under Section 13 of the Act by the impugned judgment and decree dated 6 February 2006 and awarded a monthly maintenance of Rs 1500 in favor of the appellant wife and her daughter. Stop. This court also made efforts for reconciliation between the parties but due to long lapse of time and also in view of the fact that respondent husband Ajay Pal Singh has since remarried another woman. This court is of the opinion that the reconciliation between the parties is not possible and practicable, and therefore in order to put an end to the litigation and dispute, it was agreed by the learned counsels and the parties to convert the decree of divorce under Section 13 of the Act into a decree of divorce by mutual consent under Section 13B of the Act stop. Respondent husband is said to have owned 35 bighas of agricultural land in village stop. He also working as bus conductor in Messrs Khalsa Travels stop. The appellant wife is illiterate lady and lives in village and makes her both ends meet by doing agricultural labor and domestic work stop. She has also daughter to bring up and also marry her off stop. In the facts and circumstances of the case, the court suggested the permanent alimony of Rs 5 lakhs to be paid by respondent husband to appellant wife, which is agreed to by the respondent husband stop. He, however, prays for some time to pay the said permanent alimony stop. Accordingly, these three appeals are disposed of by converting the decree under Section 13 of the Act granted by judgment and decree of court below dated 6 February 2006 into a decree of divorce by mutual consent under Section 13B of the Act stop.